Boys and girls, if your new year resolution is fitness or you are a fitness freak, then this gadget is for you. And if you're buying one, then stop, don't buy it. This fitness band is for you. So let's get into it. So boys and girls, this is the Huawei Band 2. And guys, I want to tell you that don't be confused between Honor Band 3 and Huawei Band 2. They are different series. So let's open it. Just read, you can see heart rate, sleep and relaxation, chats, swimming. So see, can we say our bag? Yeah, it's in the back of this. Let me focus it. Yeah, swimming, heart rate, multiple sports mode, 20 days daily use, up to battery can be auto sleep, relaxes, smart notification, etc, etc. You can connect with Bluetooth. It is Android 4 and plus, iOS 8 and plus can be compatible. So open it. Let me open it. It is hard to open this, I think so. Yeah, it is open. So let me take it out. Yeah, the band is here. So let's take out the band. As you can see, I'm taking it out. Put it on a side. This is the band. As you can see, band, nice band, heart rate readers, tracker, walker. And just put it on side. See what is inside in this. And nothing is there. Cover it. Oh, sorry guys. Anything else? Yeah, booklets, user starter guide. We don't need this. Warranty card, this is important. This, but this also on some side. Nothing else. Anything else? No, this is it. So guys, this is the charger, and this is the USB cable. So let's set up this smart watch. Let me on my phone. Give me focus it. Yeah, there we go. I'm just downloading the app. Yeah, is it? Let me download this. Sorry guys, sound background, sorry for that, because I'm having a bad throat. Yeah, after the download, let me download the heart rate one. This is important for the band, or what you want to call it. After the band, it is not getting installed, or it is slow. Yeah, you can see also the rating. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby. All people have bought it. You can see the people have buyed it because it is good, guys. So yeah, you can also just buy this if you are a fitness freak or you want your new resolutions. Yeah. So let me, what is happening? Yeah, let me see. Yeah, this is the wear. Huawei wear. Just allow it. Join. Yeah, done. Male height may take 67. Yeah, weight is 55. Yeah, and date of birth is yeah. So yeah, next start. Sorry for this. Okay, okay. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, as you can see the smart band which we are going to do. Band, it is what it is, smart band 2. Yeah, yeah, this is it. Yeah, yeah. Pairing, and pairing is going on in this. Let me focus it first. Please confirm pairing on wearable device. Device is not opening, man. Pairing is taking a lot of time. This is the back of the band, but it is not getting paired. I need to charge it first, then pair it. I think so. Yeah, it is pairing, but I don't know why. Fail. Please disable and enable your phone Bluetooth and try it again. Yeah, sure. Disabling it, then pairing it. Retry. Retry. Cancel with it. This thing. Canceling it. Yeah. Connect it with it. Connect it. That is connected. Sorry for this. I don't know why it is not getting. Yeah. Yeah, guys, let me put it in a charge. Um, it is taking some time. Why I don't know. Well, I don't know. Uh, oh, 1 minute. Visibility on. I didn't do it. Why it is getting Hmm. Sorry, guys. This is my fault. Or yeah, Bluetooth. Is visible to our nearby device while setting is upon. Searching. I don't know why it is not connecting. Please connect. Guys, I will show you after this setup. So yeah, so sorry for this long. So yeah, I will set up a bit and then I will show you it. Okay, so see you. So yeah, guys, the pairing is done and update checking. update downloading. It should not take so much of time. Yeah, see, you can see transferring. Yeah, this is much clear. Yeah, you can see as it is transferring. Yeah, it will take some time. Sorry for that. I know. Yeah, this should not take as much as I'm thinking of right now. Guys, after transferring I will show you. It will take time, so yeah, I will show you in a bit. Guys, the transfer is finished. Just click on finish and allow your for accurate heart rate. Yeah, please, just a minute, just a second, guys. The watch looks pretty nice. It will fit, I don't know. Guys, it fits perfectly. Yeah, guys, this is the watch. And okay. Oh, just a second, I wear it in different direction. Just wait and see. Or wait, watch. It is not difficult to wear this watch, first of all. Yeah, guys, this is it. Yes, notifications, heart rate on, yeah, Huawei on. Yeah, you can see calendar, AdSense, Agio. All the notification will come from this application to my watch. Let me do it first. I will come back in a second. You can get all the notification from not, yeah, this also. How much it is? How much is there? Sorry for this. Right, it is taking time. Yeah, few are left. All the notification will be there in just a second. Yeah, all the notification are done. Go back and you can see calories, steps, distance, activity reminder. This, enable this. It is not working. Yeah, here to go. Here we go. No, schedules. I will reset. Yeah, guys, you can click here in this area. Yeah, there I go and got a notification, traffic in your area. Okay, that's nice. Time 8 a.m. Yeah, this is good. 8 a.m. next day 7 a.m. No, next day, yeah, 7 a.m. Okay, we are done. In this Bluetooth, no Bluetooth, no disconnect function, no rotate to switch screen, yeah, left hand, yeah, yeah. In this we are done. You can see profile, message center, device management, settings, about, etc, etc. And here we have go to Huawei health to view all the data, agree. Mm. Allow, allow. Here you can see the steps, how many kilometer you run. Custom plan, no thank you. Body fat, scales, heart rate, thank you. Not me. Targets, 20,000 steps. Target weight 68. Save. My device, data sharing settings. What is that? Units, metric, yeah, metric. Heart rate, yeah, normal, yeah, normal. It is normal. Yeah. So guys, this was the band, and let me show you some features in this watch. Yeah, you can click here and you can swipe things. As you can see, time, let me focus it, just, yeah, you can see time, steps, what is it, heart rate, BPM, outdoor running, swimming. Yeah, you can go swimming with this. It is 50 meters water resistant. Yeah. Breath, it will also take you cyano breath also. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and please guys like, subscribe and share and comment. So yeah, thank you for watching and see ya.